intercept on the axis. Now, how to locate the intercept, how to find the distance of the intercept. So, I have made 3 different figures. We are just going to discuss about the figures also. Now, first thing, we know that now if we are putting x is equal to 0, then it means we are on the y axis. If we are putting y is equal to 0, we are on the x axis. So, we know that on x axis y is 0 and on y axis x is equal to 0. These are the 2 things which we are already knowing. Now, we may calculate length of the intercepts as follow. Now, how we are calculating it? Now, number 1, for the x intercepts, now in our figure, what is x intercept here? X intercept is A1 to A2, that is the distance x intercept, and y intercept is V1 to B2. This is the distance. Similarly, here x intercept, it is A1 to A2. This is just to find the distance. I am just, don't take it as a dash here, A1 to A2, from here to here to, that is x intercept, and y intercept, that is from B1 to B2. Here x intercept OA1 and y intercept, it is OB1. This is the distance. Is it clear? So, from O to A1, this is the x intercept. Now, for the x intercept, put y is equal to 0 in the equation of circle, put y is equal to 0 in the equation of circle and solve the resulting quadratic in x, because we have put y is equal to 0. So, put y is equal to 0 in the equation of the circle and solve the resulting quadratic in x. The algebraic difference of the values of x gives the length of x intercept. Is it clear? Now, number 2, for the y intercept, put x is equal to 0 in the equation of circle and solve the resulting quadratic in y. Now here it will be y. Now the algebraic difference of the values of y gives the length of y intercept. So, this is whole about the intercept.